Hello children. How are you all? Today we will be learning about Okay, are you ready? Okay, now let's start.